Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automotive paint guns for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to work on your car or furniture, or a beginner diving into your first painting project, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Zanelanx HVLP spray gun with disposable paint cups. While this kit is marketed as a cost-effective solution for beginners, it comes with several features that make it a versatile choice. The 4 interchangeable nozzles, 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, 2.0 millimeters, and 2.5 millimeters, allow you to adapt to various tasks, from base coats to primers, making it a good all-around tool for diverse applications. Its brass air cap and stainless steel needle ensure smooth, even painting results and durability over time. Additionally, the disposable cup system minimizes paint waste and simplifies cleanup, saving you effort after a long painting session. However, the Zanelanx falls short in build quality compared to other models. While the lightweight aluminum alloy frame is easy to handle, it doesn't feel as sturdy as premium models. The unit delivers a respectable 65% transfer efficiency, which reduces paint waste, but the atomization isn't as fine as competitors in higher price brackets. For beginners, the included accessories like the pressure gauge, cleaning kit, and disposable cups are helpful, but experienced users may find the setup lacking refinement. It's an affordable option for basic DIY projects, but for professional-grade finishes, you might need to look elsewhere. Pros include versatility, cost-effectiveness, and ease of use, while cons are the less durable build and somewhat lower performance compared to others on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Saiga-Ol HVLP 6800B spray gun, a stylish and lightweight option that's perfect for beginners looking for an ergonomic tool with a touch of flair. The aerospace aluminum alloy body is both durable and lightweight, weighing just 1.39 pounds. Which significantly reduces hand fatigue during extended projects. The gun features a 1.3 millimeter nozzle and delivers particle atomization as fine as 0.16 millimeters, offering an impressive mirror-like spray effect for varnish and top coat applications. The sensitive adjustment knobs make it easy to control spray patterns, ensuring precision even for first-time users. Where the Saiga-Ol shines is its ease of cleaning, thanks to its multi-threaded design and removable air guide ring. This makes it a breeze to disassemble and maintain, which is crucial for beginners who may not yet be familiar with proper paint gun care. However, its smaller spray width and lower paint capacity might limit its efficiency for larger projects. While it's a great beginner-friendly option for detail work or smaller surfaces, you'll find it less suited for high-volume jobs like full vehicle paint jobs. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of cleaning, and excellent finish quality, but its cons are the limited spray width and paint capacity. At number 3, we have the Endozer Professional HVLP spray gun set, which offers a solid balance between performance and affordability. With 3 nozzle sizes, 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2.0 millimeters, this gravity-feed spray gun delivers uniform atomization and excellent spray quality across a variety of surfaces. The brass hood and stainless steel nozzle are both wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, ensuring longevity, even with repeated use. The fluid control, pattern control, and air conditioning valve give you precise control over every aspect of your spray, making it suitable for automotive, furniture, and even arts and crafts projects. While the Endozer is packed with features, beginners might find the setup slightly overwhelming. The inclusion of filters and a pressure gauge is a nice touch, as it helps minimize impurities and maintain consistent pressure, but the instructions could be clearer. Its versatility makes it a great starter tool for those willing to invest time into learning its full capabilities. However, it's not compatible with latex paint, which limits its use for certain projects. Pros include its adjustable controls, durable materials, and great value for the price. while cons are the learning curve and lack of compatibility with latex paint. Our runner-up is the Innocraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit, a top-tier option designed specifically for beginners. This kit is a one-stop solution, including everything you need to start painting right away: pressure regulators, oil-water separators, nozzle sets, and even a quick start guide for first-time users. Its aluminum body with Teflon coating is both durable and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. The LVLP design ensures excellent paint atomization with minimal overspray, delivering professional-grade results while reducing environmental waste. What sets the Innocraft apart is its user-friendly design. The clearly marked scales and labels on the gun body, coupled with the instructional videos, make it incredibly easy to operate. Whether you're painting cars, furniture, or tackling a DIY project, this gun excels in delivering an even, high-quality finish. Its versatility is hard to beat, but the slightly higher weight, 3.5 pounds, might make it less comfortable for prolonged use compared to lighter models. Pros include its complete starter kit, premium painting quality, and beginner-friendly setup, while cons are its heavier build and slightly higher price point. Claiming the top spot is the Aero Pro Tools R500 LVLP air spray gun, a standout option that combines premium build quality, ease of use, and exceptional performance. With 3 nozzle sizes, 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, and 1.7 mm, this gun is versatile enough for everything from automotive refinishing to furniture restoration. Its Teflon-coated body resists wear and dirt, making it durable and easy to clean. The LVLP design ensures minimal overspray and maximum paint utilization, saving both time and materials while delivering professional-level finishes with a soft, superfine mist. The Aero Pro excels in user comfort as well, with a lightweight design and an ergonomic trigger that reduces operating fatigue during long projects. The trigger even features 2 gears, one for dust cleaning and the other for painting, adding an extra layer of functionality. While it's slightly pricier than some competitors, the build quality and performance justify the investment, especially for beginners who want a reliable tool that grows with their skills. Pros include its durable design, excellent paint efficiency, and user-friendly features, while cons might be its higher price point and lack of included accessories compared to bundled kits. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.